Go then. Mmm.
Mmm.
Stop! He's already dead.
Let's go then. Mmm.
He trying to win.
Bite for bite.
He don't want to take an L. Give him an L, Maya. Come on now. Look at that big bite. He got to take 3 of your one. Come on, finish it.
Mmm.
Put it in your mouth, Maya. Hold it. Come on. You done got one already. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You got to get it. Take it. Bite it.
Let's go,
Bite
girl.
it. Come on, baby bird.
Come
on. I'm trying to give you some motivation. Let's go, baby bird. Get it, Maya. Get it, Maya.
Imagination.
Aha, Daddy. Look at she eating it.
Oh
my God, Maya. Look at she eating it.
Fucking delicious.
What? How is she eating it like that?
Huh? That was number 3? What was that? What just happened?
What does the winner get? Come on, Maya. Let's get it. Come on. Get that down. Get that down.
Invite them on.
What does the winner get? You gonna inhale it. Let's go.
A $25 food stamp.
Oh, that's it. Just calm down. I already win.
Yeah,
It isn't
shout out
fair.
Slow down, Sam, Maya.
to everybody else in the game. This is another one for you to do. Go on and do this one right here, baby.
What's wrong?
It get hard in the end as Merciless bites in the number 3.
Nah, you should never did that.
Fucking delicious.
Interesting.
Fucking delicious.
Interesting.
Stop it. Get some help.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's adorable.
와. 물.
다시. 또 선생님한테 보호해야 돼서 오늘도 코카콜라와 함께
No way!
와. 근데 강아지 ASMR도 되게 좋은 거 알아요? 봐봐요. 두부 껌먹방. 옛날에 강아지 키우기 전에도 강아지 막 간식 먹방 그런 거 유튜브에 많잖아요. 그런 거 많이 봤었어요. 근데 솔직히 이거 녹화인데 진짜 혼자서도 잘 이제 노는 듯? 다시 한번. 와, 이거 때깔.
Really?
이 젠방짜장의 좋은 점, 해물이 많습니다. 와, 진짜 쟁반짜장 아이러브. 그러고 보니 제가 야외 중국집 가서는 쟁반짜장을 먹방을 안 해봤네요. 그리고 한국인의 김치, 우리나라 김치. 단무지도 단무지지만 이 김치랑도.
Stop it. Get some help.
Really?
No.
쫀득쫀득.
Oh my god!
It isn't fair. 이번엔 육회.
No. Yikes.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be really hard.
Gosh.